Are you ready to nail party? Hello, I'm Tammy Taylor, president of Tammy Taylor Nails, and today I'm so excited to demonstrate for you a fill and repair using SCULPT and acrylic gel hybrid. Now let's get started. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach and gardenia. Remove the polish with conditioning polish remover, available in peach and gardenia. As the nail grows out, you need to do a fill-in every 2 weeks, so I will be teaching you how to do a fill-in and a fill-in with a repair. I will be filing the surface of the nail, and I will be filing the product flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, and I'm using the long-lasting 180 Zebra. File the product flush at the natural nail where it's grown out. I have on Top Gel Plus, so I'm filing off the Top Gel Plus. File down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, and when you're doing a repair, you want to make sure that you file it really thin where the break is, so that way when you apply your nail form and you apply more product, it won't break in that spot. If you leave it too thick, then you could break again in the same spot. So you just want to make sure you file it nice and thin and then get it flush around the cuticle. Now I'm going to etch the nail with my 100 grit purple Terminator etcher. Go with the way the nail grows. Make sure the natural nail has no shiny spots. If there's any shiny spots, then the product could have a problem adhering and you could have lifting. Etching eliminates 75% of lifting. Now I'm going to use my tritium stone to push back the cuticle. Make sure there's no skin grown up on the nail. If there's any skin on the nail, this will cause lifting. Dust off the nail with a plastic manicure brush. Go from cuticle to free edge. Apply non-lifting nail primer to the area that's grown out, the natural nail only. Apply it very sparingly. Don't get any on the cuticle. If you get a little bit on the product, it doesn't hurt it. You're fine. Apply your nail form to your broken nail. Put a curve in your form. Place the form under the free edge. Stick it down. Stick together your little wings and secure your form. Now I'm going to apply Stuck On You Bonder Gel Base. I apply this everywhere I'm going to be applying new product. This makes the product adhere. On a regular fill, probably about halfway up the nail bed, because I'm going to fill it in and build the stress area. On the broken nail, I'm going to apply it at the cuticle area and over the entire nail. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. I will be using Shape It Up nail liquid, and I only need a couple drops. This is only to keep my brush moist. When doing a fill-in, you only need a small bead of product. You scoop it.
Place it with the round side towards the cuticle, roll it off. Moisten your brush. You don't want it wet, you just want it moist. And pat it into shape. Do your cuticle first. Get your cuticle nice and smooth. I'm angling my brush like a pencil so I can get it nice and smooth around that cuticle. Once you have the cuticle area just how you like it, you can continue patting the bead out. Pat from side to side. So now you filled in your cuticle, you're building up your arch, patting it out, and you can blend it in. Very easy. I might give it a little bit more pressure and blend it all the way out. This makes it nice and even. Very, very easy. So you've done a 1 bead fill. You filled it in and rebuilt your stress area. Now to fix your broken nail, we're going to use a larger bead. So the nail's going to be about a 3, no, maybe a 4, out to a 4. So your bead is going to be almost to a 4. It doesn't have to be that big because you do have product still left on the nail bed. So the way you measure is your bead should be about as long as the free edge that you want. Okay, and you scoop it. Again, place it at the cuticle area, the rounded edge at the cuticle. Moisten your brush. Pat it down. Get the cuticle first. Don't worry about the rest of the nail. Get the cuticle exactly how you like it, and don't get it too flat on that nail bed. So I'm angling my brush like a pencil. Now I go from side to side, from side to side. Make sure you go all the way over to the other side, from nail groove to nail groove. Then you can start pulling it out, patting, pulling it out, patting. Make sure you go from side to side. Start getting your shape. Shape your sides. Pull it out. Check your curve. Check your shape. Make sure it's the right length. Good. The great thing about Sculpt, it's not dry until you cure it. Now I'm going to create the C curve. I will be doing a quick cure for 10 to 15 seconds in an LED or 20 to 30 seconds in a UV. Now squeeze your C curve, start at the nail bed, and work your way out to the free edge. Now you're going to do a full cure. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Remove the form and go back in for another full cure. 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nails with Clean It and a Wipe It. And then clean the underneath. Now I'm going to file the nails with my long-lasting 180 Zebra. And I'm going to score the edges first, so that way it's gentle around the cuticle. And then I can dispose of my etcher. I will be filing in 5 steps. Step number 1, file straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, file straight out from the nail groove on the right. Step number 3, shape the free edge. Step number 4, file the top of the nail. Bevel down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, using long strokes. Get right in that little road. Get the product flush with the natural nail. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, like a horseshoe. You don't want to flatten out the nail. You want to keep the arch on the nail. Down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, down on the side, cross the top, down on the other side, till you get the cuticle area nice and smooth. Get right in that little road so the product is flush with the natural nail. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client looks at for the next 2 weeks, and you want to make sure it looks beautiful from her angle. Nice long strokes. It's a downward bevel, and you're looking at the arch, the shape, the tip. Now I'm going to buff the nails with my clean finish buffing file. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Make sure you get the cuticle nice and smooth. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get it really smooth in that cuticle area. Nice long strokes out towards the tip of the free edge. Have your client wash their hands with antibacterial soft soak and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus. Nice long strokes. Super shiny, non-yellowing top gel. Cap the tip. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED, 30 seconds in a Mighty Mini LED, or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nails with a Clean It and a Wipe It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil, available in peach and gardenia. Now you have your fill and your fill and repair with soft pink sculpt.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.